Welcome to my channel, viewers. Today we are starting a lesson factorization of class 8 Cbse curriculum. This is lesson number 12. Earlier you have discussed the factorization of numbers. Say for example, if you are given prime factorization of 25, you will write it 5 multiplied by 5, or 9 can be factorized as 1 multiplied by 9 or 3 multiplied by 9. So when product of two numbers, we say product of two numbers 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12. This is called product, and numbers multiplied are called factors, right? Similarly, say for example 2 into 2 into 5, 20. So 20 is called product and these are called factors. The same way in algebraic expression, say for example a cube, it can be factorized as a multiplied by a, or a square multiplied by b cube. This can be factorized as a multiplied by a, b multiplied by b multiplied by b. We have also learned one thing, the distributive property, right? A multiplied by b plus c equal to ab plus ac. That means when you are given ab plus ac, you can factorize it by taking common factor out of bracket, and you will write it as a multiplied by b plus c. Similarly, suppose you are given ab plus ac, then bd plus be, suppose. Then how will you factorize this? You will factorize this as a multiplied by b plus c. Then here you can take common b common, d plus e, right? So this sum can be factorized like this, and this sum can be factorized like this. We will use this type of properties for factorization of algebraic expression, right? So let us start with one example. Suppose you are given a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. Now you see here you can take common factor a here. A is the common factor for both of this. So after taking out common factor, you can write it as a square plus 1. Here common factor of both terms is 3. So you can take 3 common here. So within bracket you will write a square plus 1 and minus 3 here. Again here you see in both terms a square plus 1 is a common factor. So you will write a minus 3. So we find that this algebraic expression can be written as a product of two factors, a square plus 1 multiplied by a minus 3. So these are the factors of this algebraic expression. Similarly, one more example, say you consider 3a square minus 9ab. So how will you factorize this? What can be the maximum common factor in both these two terms here? So you see first term, the first term a square can be written as 3 into a. Second term 9ab means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b. So what are the common factors here? 3, then a, right? So 3a is the common factor. So after taking out common factor, within bracket what is left out? For the first term a is left out, minus for the second term what is left out? 3 multiplied by b, 3b. So factors of this algebraic expression is thrice a multiplied by a minus 3b, right? Let us consider one more here. Say for example, a to the power 4 minus twice of a cube minus 4a plus 8, right? So let us group these two terms together and these two terms together. Now what is the maximum common factor you can take out from these two? A to the power 4 means a multiplied by a 4 times. Twice of a cube means 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a. So what are the common factors in both these two terms? A common, this a is common, this a is common. That means for the first term and second term, common factor is a cube. A 3 times means a cube. A cube is the common factor. So when you take out a cube outside the bracket, so what is left out for the first term? A is left out minus. For the second term, what is left out? Only 2 is left out, right? Now consider these two terms here. 4a means 2 into 2 into a. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. So what are the common factors here? That means 4 is the common factor here. 4. So what is left out for the first term after taking common factor? A is left out. And what is left out for the second term after taking 4 common? 2 is left out. So 2. So this is minus 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus plus 8. Right? Now again in these two terms, what is the common factor? A minus 2 is the common factor. So what is left out? First term, a cube is left out. Second term, minus 4 is left out. So factors of these algebraic expressions are a minus 2 into a cube minus 4. Right? Let us do a few more exercises again. Say let consider this a square plus b minus ab minus a. Now first we will try to regroup these terms. You see a square and a, we can group them together. A square minus a, then b minus ab. We are trying to regroup here. Why? Because these two terms have common factors and these two terms have common factors. So what is the common factors here? A square equal to a multiplied by a. A means a multiplied by 1. So common factor here is a only. A common, so a minus 1 plus here common factor is b 1 minus a, right? Now see this is a minus 1 and this is 1 minus a. Now we can write it as, if you write this minus b, then this order will be reversed, a minus 1. Why? You see b into 1 minus a. So if you write minus b 1 minus a minus 1, so we want to prove that both are same. Why? If you multiply this b minus ab, and if you simplify this minus b into a minus ab minus minus plus b, that means b minus ab. So both are same. So instead of writing this, we are writing here, because in that case we will get a common factor in these two terms. A minus 1 is a common factor, so a minus 1 common, so this is a minus b, right? This is how we factorize this. Now let us do one more example of this type. Ax plus by square minus plus bx minus ay square, right? Now let us simplify this. What is the square of this? We remember a plus b whole square. A square plus twice ab plus b square. So using this identity, let us simplify this. If you simplify this, this will be a square x square twice of ab twice of ax by b square y square plus this becomes b square x square minus twice of bx ay plus a square y square. So you see, this is a square x square plus twice of ab xy, then b square y square b square x square minus twice of ab xy a square y square. Now you see, these two terms are similar. This is additive inverse of this is this. We can cancel this, right? So after simplifying, we got a square x square b square y square b square x square a square y square. Now let us combine the terms containing a square. Suppose we combine this and this together, a square x square a square y square. Then we combine these two terms containing b square y square b square x square. Now what is the common factor here? A square is common, then we will write it as x square plus y square plus here b square is common, so this becomes x square y square. So after simplifying this, again we got a common factor here. X square plus y square is a common factor for both this term. So then what is left out? A square plus b square. So these are the factors of this expression, right? So thank you viewers for watching this video. We will do some more exercise in the next video again. Keep in touch.